My name is Daniel Cade. This is my video submission of my presentation. Firstly, what are the major differences between high school and college? For me, the obvious one is how much you need to work to be successful in your classes. You need to work a lot harder, and you need to implement a lot more techniques and use time management is the big thing. I feel like there are significantly less hours in the day. That's probably as a result of the added responsibilities that I've taken on as well with doing laundry and whatnot. Also, you've got less class time. You have maybe like 2 or 3 classes per day, but then you've also got the contrast of having more homework time and out of class studying that you need to be doing. What study time management strategies are you using? The calendar for the WVUE course was a massive help, and still is a huge help for me. To be able to see in advance that I have an exam or a quiz or whatever coming up, I can easily see, oh, if I've got a quiz on Thursday, means I need to be studying for that by at least Monday. Whereas before, I have to find out, or simply would just forget. I can really imagine and not see these things coming up, as well as just being able to cross off homeworks and to see in writing how much work I've got, rather than it just all being on my head and getting overwhelming. I can tick things off, and that's really helpful. I've also got a lot of commitments, and so these commitments, being on the cross-country team, being on an athlete, as well as being very involved in a lot of student organisations, means that they construct my time because there's very little free time. So in that free time, I end up doing a lot of work. So there's little space for procrastination. Obviously, my time management could get better and sharper and more efficient, and I feel one of those areas is in between classes. If I've only got like half an hour, then I'll think, oh, that's not enough time to get decent studying, and I'll like watch a video or something. Whereas if I did make use of that time, then I would benefit a lot from it, and that's something I should do. Lastly, what do you need to make yourself successful at college? Definitely revise your notes. That's something I don't do, so that's something I need to start doing. The obvious of studying hard. Seeking help and getting tutors is a big one. Don't be afraid to do that. I'm already benefiting from getting a maths tutor because that's something I'm just inherently not very good at. Another one is surround yourself with motivated and like-minded people. If you've got friends who are studying hard and who aren't gonna encourage you to put studying at the bottom of your priorities, who are going to be out partying all the time and trying to get you to slack off, then that is really going to help and really going to influence your degree.